Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add indices to MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4. Now go and click on this dollar sign and make sure that you link it your MetaTrader 4 with a broker. Okay, it can be any broker. Now go to MetaTrader, and as you can see, we have here indices or indexes. Okay, they are the same thing. Now click on it. And as you can see here, these are the indices available in my broker. We have here the US 30. This is the Dow Jones. We have the US 500. This is the SPX, S&P 500. And we have here the US Tech. This is the NASDAQ. Okay. Now let's choose, for example, this one. Click on Show Symbol. Okay. US Tech, the NASDAQ. As you can see, it's here. Let's choose also the S&P, Show Symbol, and the Dow Jones, Show Symbol. Now click on OK. And as you can see here, the indices are here. Now, if you want to add them to the charts, all you have to do is click on it, drag it, and drop it here. As you can see, SPX 500 index, US 500. Okay, the same thing with the US 30 and the US Tech. Okay, this is also gold if you want to add it. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.